Okay, question karo. The ranges and height of two projectile projected with same initial velocity at 42 degrees and 48 degrees with the horizontal are R1, R2 and heights H1, H2. Then what is the relationship between them? So I'll give the options. Like they given like this, R1 is greater than R2, H1 is equal to H2, like that relationship they given. Tell the answer. So like that relationship चाहिए. 4 options में. So if I throw two projectile motions, one is at 42 degrees, another one is 48 degrees. Okay. With same initial velocity. So U and U. So ये जाएगा something. Okay. Now R1, R2 is the ranges of first one. R1 as the ranges R2. So and height H1, H2. So what is the relationship between them? Tell answer, Krisha.
Sir, are we supposed to find relation between H1 R1 and H2
देखो like this
R2?
they given R1 is greater than R2, H1 equal to H2, or R1 is less than R2, H1 is greater than
Okay,
R2,
something
H2.
else. Okay.
हाँ मानो बोलो, something will tell, right? बोलो.
So I think R1 will be greater than R2.
Okay. H1. I give 4 options नहीं दिया, एक ही option नहीं है. 4 options something is there, but I did not wrote. So you're telling R1 is greater than R2. Okay, next.
And 1 second. Sir, and I think it's 1 second.
JEE means question से अच्छे से करो.
Sir, and H2 will be greater than H1.
Well, H2 is greater than H1.
H2 is greater than H1.
H1.
Why?
Because H is equal to U square sin square theta and sin increases as angle increases.
Theta increases, yeah.
Okay. Next. Right, R1 is greater than R2, Pranav?
Sir, H is max height.
Maximum height only always.
Sir,
So
I
नाम
say
ही only
R2
maximum
is
height.
greater than R1.
See, Krisha, maximum height means 45 degrees वाला नहीं है. याद रखो, उसका नाम only maximum height.
Okay.
हाँ.
So then won't H1 be greater than H2?
H1 is greater than H2. Why?
Sorry.
Reason.
H2 is greater than H1. Sorry.
Okay,
Yes,
ठीक है, ये right है. ये वाला बोलो.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, R2 is greater than R1.
R2 is greater than R1. Why? I can't tell you why.
Sir, because R1 by 4 is lesser than R2 by 4. Sir, H max is equal to R by 4, sir.
That is what R max by 4, maximum height वाला, maximum range वाला, that is R max by 4 वाला, वो नहीं है. हाँ प्रणव बोलो. R1 R2 का relationship.
Sir, I say R2 is greater than R1.
R2 is greater than R1. Mano, your answer is right only.
Yeah, sir, because cot theta decreases as theta increases.
Oh, wrong. ऐसा नहीं है. देखो, you tell me, if I throw a projectile motion, suppose angle theta and angle 90 minus theta, tell me ranges will be how much? Complementary angles का range will be how much? Check करो. Complementary angles का range is how much? In range
One.
का important points बोल के दिया.
1.
1. Ranges will be same. R1 equal to R2. देखो 42 and 90 minus 42 is how much? 48. Complementary angles है. Whenever you throw two projectiles at complementary angles, ranges are same. मतलब even though height will be different. ये जाएगा, ये इधर ऊपर तक जाएगा. This H1, this H2. Height will be different, but ranges are same. दोनों ऐसे गिरेगा, दोनों ऐसे साथ साथ गिरेगा. So range R1 is equal to R2. For complementary angles, ranges are same. देखो JEE मेंस में simple question पूछा.
Sir, but can we use sine 2 theta?
What sin to theta?
U square sine 2 theta by G.
Then क्या होगा? U square sin 2 theta by G. हाँ.
Oh, never mind, sir. Sine theta
हाँ.
cos will be remain same.
Okay. चलो. समझ में आया ना? Next question करो.
Sir, H2 is greater than H1, right?
हाँ, H2 is greater than H1. Next. करो. इसका ऑप्शन सेल क्यों? ये JEE मेंस 2024. मानो अच्छे से करो. Don't give up. तो पेशेंस से करो, आ जाएगा. So question understood? What is saying? What is saying? A particle moving in a circle. Circle में जा रहा है, घूमता जा रहा है. Of radius r. Okay. With the uniform speed. Okay, u speed से जा रहा है मान लो. Okay. At time takes a time t to complete one revolution. Complete revolution के लिए time t है. Okay. If the particle were projected with the same speed. Okay. इसका क्या रिलेशन है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर्कुलर मोशन में? टेल में टाइम, स्पीड, इसका क्या रिलेशन? तीनों में से रिलेशनशिप ले सकते
Sir,
हैं.
won't time be 2
टाइम
pi
टेकन
r
टू
by
कंप्लीट वन
t?
रिवोल्यूशन. स्पीड इज इक्वल डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस इज हाउ मच डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इन कंप्लीट पाथ में, 2 pi r by time. राइट, ये है ना 2 pi r by t. नाउ दिस स्पीड से वी आर थ्रोइंग ए पार्टिकल. राइट, ही कंपेयर्ड विद सर्कुलर मोशन. सर्कुलर मोशन का स्पीड जो आया ना, दैट स्पीड से इज थ्रोइंग ए प्रोजेक्टाइल विद सेम स्पीड एट एन एंगल थीटा with horizontal. The maximum height attained is equal to 4r. He is telling in this condition में maximum height is equal to 4r. In this condition में use the formula वगैरह. He is telling angle of projection theta is how much is asking. Theta is how much. And u के जगह में you substitute this one. Not tell the
So
answer.
can you show options on this?
What? Doing करो.
So it will be 2 sine inverse 2g t square by r pi 1 by 2, like power 1 by.
Option, which option? Tell me.
Option is
2024.
so it's so the first one. Yeah, the first one.
Yes. Very good. Super.
So 1 second, sir. Last step.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. I'll send it to you.
Which one?
Sir, I don't remember. So something I was doing in class. So
वो जो भी है सेंड कर, सॉल्यूशन दिखाऊंगा.
sir, like I need explanation for that.
हाँ,
Like
एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ
they
ऑनलाइन.
gave the solution. I'll send it with the solution, but then I didn't understand. Like
ओके ओके, सेंड करो. I'll complete. So h max का फॉर्मूला यूज करो. u स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर थीटा by 2g यूज करके u के जगह में सब्स्टिट्यूट दैट वन एंड फाइंड थीटा. टू पाई r by t होल स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर थीटा by 2g is equal to 4r. So range r, r only. Use from this theta find करो. Because r is a right, no need of converting again r का. So ये formula use करके theta लेके उधर sit. कितना है मानो?
So yeah,
So-
so there you go, Kakans. Root
So-
of yeah,
so
yes, sir.
pi square r square by t square sin square theta by 2g, right? So into 2g is equal to 4r. 4 cancel. और कुछ नहीं है.
R
r एक r cancel. So pi square r sin theta by 2gt square is equal to 1 ना 1. So इधर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या होगा? Theta is equal to sin inverse. So 2gt square by pi square r. Okay. And ये थीटा इक्वल और क्या साइन स्क्वायर है ना, ये साइन स्क्वायर है. सो उधर गया तो क्या होगा? होल पर 1/2. देखो साइन थीटा इज नथिंग बट होल पर 1/2, राइट? ये ऊपर गया तो साइन इनवर्स आएगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज राइट. आया? चलो नेक्स्ट करो.
Sir, I got 160.
160 या दोनों हाइट का राइट, दोनों ऐड किया ना?
Yes, sir.
नो रॉन्ग. ये न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, नो ऑप्शंस. सेम स्पीड 40 meters per second, two different angles में the bodies are having same range. If one body is projected at angle 60 with the horizontal, the sum of the maximum height is so much. So other angle how much? One angle is 60 means other angle is how much?
Wait, sir. So it's 80, sir.
30.
Huh?
30
I got
rates
80.
supplementary.
Your answer is 80, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Answer is not 160. Other angle is how much? Anybody say?
30.
One angle is 60. Other angle is how much? They told
30.
they have same range.
30 degrees.
30 degrees. No, find maximum heights. H1 find करो, H2 find करो. Same velocity told 40 meters per second से throw किया.
Sir, I'm getting 80 only.
80, yes, correct. 80 meters.
Sir, he already said 80.
Yeah, sir, done.
160 is telling that.
Yes, I got it.
Got a Pranav? Maximum height का formula U मालूम है?
Yes, sir, I
T.
got.
Yes. करो. A numerical based questions sir. तो क्वेश्चंस किया तो देन एनी आंसर एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आंसर. थोड़ा टी-शर्ट दिया तो भी आपको टेंशन नहीं रहेगा. A projectile fired at 30 degrees to the ground is observed at the same height at 3 seconds and 5 seconds after projection during the flight. The speed of the projection of the projectile is. So what is saying? A projectile is fired at an angle 30 degrees to the ground. Is observed at the same height in 3 seconds. Okay, ये जाएगा ऐसा गिरेगा ना. 3 seconds में the height is इतना. Again 5 seconds में मतलब definitely इधर तक आया ना. 5 seconds में the height is same. H. After projection of flight, the speed of the projection. U से पे करना. U is so much.
Sir, what's the formula for time at a particular point?
Time in a particular point. There is no formula. Equation of motion you can use whatever you want.
Sir, what?
Equations of motion you can use. Otherwise, particular time में there is no formula separately for determination.
Sir, time of flight means the whole thing.
Whole time.
Oh.
थोड़ा ट्विस्ट है. सिंपल है. अगर आगे तो समझ में आ गए तो वन लाइन में आ जाएगा.
So for this we can so for this we can use equation of motions, right?
You can use whatever you want to do. Numerical based question.
Sir, max height means height at the max point or any point.
What?
Sir, max height is height at the maximum point or any point.
Maximum height is only this one. This is called maximum height.
So what is time formula?
Which formula?
Time.
किसका time? Time of flight.
The time of flight.
Time of flight formula नहीं मालूम. उधर से खिड़की से दुको उधर से दुको.
2u. It's 2u sin theta.
First one I asked, I found time of flight easy.
One second.
So I got 80.
Very good, super.
This is direct.
वो आइडिया आ गया तो 1 स्टेप में आ जाएगा.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, you're getting 20, sir.
20 है wrong. Here time of flight कितना है क्वेश्चन में?
2
In this question
seconds.
में time of flight कितना है?
2 seconds.
हाँ?
2 seconds.
Why 2 seconds? इधर से इधर तक वो नहीं 3 seconds हो. 2 seconds किधर से तक है?
Sir, you can draw a line from 3 to 5, and then later the angle will be 30 degrees because it's parallel
See,
to the x-axis.
What is the meaning of time of flight? Tell me. Time of flight means total path taken by the projectile. Total time कितना ball नीचे गिरने तक कितना time लगा, right? That is called time of flight. इधर ball इधर से इधर तक 5 seconds लगा, right? इधर तक 5 seconds. मतलब time of flight is more than 5 seconds first of all. Okay. Here to here and here to here time is same, right? 3 seconds.
Sir,
only.
not that. Sir, if
Oh.
you just draw like a different axis, like if you draw, connect 3 to 5,
Okay.
and then that will be your x-axis, and then later 30 degrees is like, there'll be 30 degrees there also, sir.
ऐसा this is 30 degrees था. क्या प्रोजेक्टल मोशन में हमेशा ऐसा नहीं है, wrong.
Oh, okay.
See, time of flight is nothing but total time taken. इधर से इधर तक 5 seconds and इधर से इधर तक 3 seconds only. Same height में जा रहा है ना. I told like time of ascent equal time of descent. आप इधर से इधर तक कितना time लगा? Same time from here to here, same time, horizontal level से. So total time of flight is in this case में 8 seconds.
It's okay.
खत्म. Use करो formula now. 2u sin eta by g.
It
Don't
will-
understand? ये वाला आंसर
So
कितना
then
है?
what's the point of giving the 3 seconds and 5 seconds?
3 seconds and 5 minutes wanted दिया है. मतलब time of मतलब equations of motion use करके some people
No,
will
sir,
do,
we
right?
don't need to use formula of H max and all.
No need of doing all those things. So, he told same height वाला 3 seconds मतलब 5 seconds में same height. हाँ, why we are using 3 seconds important, right here? देखो here to here how many seconds नीचे गिरेगा? See, 5 seconds is from here to here.
Yes.
From here to here how many seconds? 3 seconds only. Same 3 seconds will take, right? That's why they given 3 seconds. समझ आ रहा है? So total time of flight is how much? 5 plus 3, 8 seconds लगेगा time of flight. हाँ, now use करो. कितना है आंसर? 80 है? कृष्ण? Yeah. Yes, next one. Last question. Come on. A body is projected from the ground at angle 45 degrees with the horizontal. Its velocity after 2 seconds is 20 meters per second. मतलब v वाला वो resultant velocity. The maximum height reached by the body during the motion is dash meters.
So can't we just exactly use the formula
Which one?
u square sin square theta by 2g?
No. Why your maximum height asked? Huh? मतलब sir ठीक है u square sin square theta by 2g. U is how much?
20.
It's u no. Question
Oh,
answer करो.
oh.
समझ में आ रहा है? When you throw an object u से जाएगा इधर गिरेगा. After time 2 seconds के बाद मान लो velocity is here, the particle is here. इसका velocity कौन सा रहेगा? Vx रहेगा, Vy रहेगा. This velocity they given as 20.
Oh, so you have to find individually vy and vx and then
Find the resultant they given as 20. This is angle कितना 45 degrees. So whatever you have to do and maximum height we have to use. Maximum height के लिए formula theta तो मालूम है, but u नहीं मालूम है. U find करो by using this some data में. U आ गए तो then you can find some maximum height formula.
So you have to substitute ux value or uy value for h max.
uy.
Sir, won't you get a negative?
Which one?
U, sir.
Why negative? No, he is throwing upwards only. नीचे थोड़ी ना throwing. And h max में what is the formula h max to know?
Oh, yes, sir.
U square sine square theta by
U
2g.
is U only, not ux or uy. U is U only. जो U दिया तो U substitute करने का.
Sir, won't it be UI?
नो, डेरिवेशन करने समय आपको y डायरेक्शन लेके यू सॉल्व राइट पूरा. फाइनल आंसर क्या है? यू गॉट इन यू वाई या यू एक्स आफ्टर दैट फाइनली यू में आया. यू जो तो किया वो वाला यूज करने का यू स्क्वायर. अदरवाइज फार्मूला यू वाई
Is there
स्क्वायर साइन
any
स्क्वायर नहीं है.
is there any formula for finding the velocity? Like sir,
हाँ,
the
is there
relationship
formula?
between vx, vy, and the total velocity.
हाँ, is there right? Vectors.
Oh, resultant. Oh,
Resultant. 90 degrees angle between them is 90.
So I got both of them as 10 root 2, uy and ux.
uy in yours 10 root 2. Resultant find करो. Resultant will be 20 right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
U चाहिए ना? U चाहिए. See, we'll get here. U we don't know, right? How you took UX VX is how much? U cos 45, right? And VY formula मालूम है? VY formula याद है ना?
Sine of 45
U
minus
sin
50.
45 minus GT. इन दोनों का रिजल्टेंट मतलब 20 is equal to under root U sin 45 is 1 by root 2 minus 10 into T is 2 seconds, right? So 20 whole square plus U by root 2. Cos 45 is U by root 2 whole square. So solve करो. Resultant is given as 20. From that you will get U value.
so will you get us 10 root 2?
US?
10 root 2.
No, wrong.
Sir, I'm getting 210 root 2.
210 root 2 means nothing but 2 into 10 is how much? 2 into
No,
10
sir.
root 2 you're getting.
210 root 2.
210 root 2 अच्छा.
Oh,
I
so it
think
will be
2
20
into
root 2.
10 root 2 ऐसा आया हुआ.
So you get 20 root 2.
20
20 root
root
2 is the U value.
Oh, okay. Yes, I got it.
वो कॉमन है ना करो.
Sir, you'll get 20.
How much?
20 meters.
Yes, correct. Good. So more than 95% questions you solved, right? Total. देखो 23 years questions का कुछ difficult है. 23 years questions तक अभी all are like concept wise only, formula based only, उधर से इधर तक. But थोड़ा idea आने का complementary angles, इधर U find करना same only. Okay. वही पे hard रहेगा मालूम है. अभी फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ेगा, सेकंड चैप्टर पढ़ेगा, फर्स्ट ईयर हो जाएगा. सेकंड ईयर करने समय फर्स्ट ईयर गया याद रहेगा? नो. फर्स्ट काइनेमेटिक्स का फॉर्मूला पूछेगा तो ही कृष्णा विल टेल सर आई फॉरगॉट द फॉर्मूला बोलेगा. मगर सेकंड ईयर तक जो फॉर्मूलास रिमेंबर करने का, ये भी रिमेंबर करने का, दैट्स व्हाई डिफिकल्ट होगा. पीपल ऑल पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड वेरी थरोली. फर्स्ट चैप्टर वाइज वेरी थरो. बट कंसिस्टेंट रिवीजन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको इस पे फॉर्मुला शीट दिया है, प्रिंट आउट ले लो एंड हर बार क्वेश्चंस में करने समय रिवीजन करो. इवन व्हेन यू गो फॉर सेकंड ईयर आल्सो पैरेलली यू हैव टू प्लान फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर टू रीड एंड कंप्लीट. ओके, टच में रहने का ऑलवेज. ओके, देन ओनली विल गेट a good rank. Okay, next. Pranav, you got right? 20 बोल के?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now equation of trajectory. उसी में one more concept, equation of trajectory. Okay. So इसका equation of trajectory कौन सा है? We will see the derivation देखने वाले. What is meaning of trajectory? You know, right? Already the path covered by any ball or something. The path को we call as trajectory. उसका equation क्या है? We have to know, derive. Okay. मान लो I throw with some velocity u, angle theta, y axis, x axis. So जाएगा जाएगा जाएगा. Some point में on the coordinate में मान लो the object has covered x comma y. मतलब it has covered x distance and simultaneously it has covered y distance, right? The particle has covered x distance, y distance. देखो equation of trajectory में there should not be any t term. Time term should not be there. So no t term, no time term should be there. In equation of trajectory, no time term should be there. Okay. X and y में relationship लेके आने का. X and y में we have to always relationship लेके आने का. And we will see which path it is. This is parabola na, circle, ellipse. We have to know. In maths में we will study different equations for circle, parabola, इसका पूरा ellipse का क्या है बोल के. Okay. We will see whether this path is parabolic path, ellipse, circular. Okay. Now our interest is to calculate x and y separately. You know already how to find x and y. Tell me x direction and y direction. Tell me x में क्या क्या मालूम है? ux is how much? u cos theta. uy is how much? u sin theta. And ax is how much? ay is how much? ax is how much? याद है? In horizontal acceleration is how much? In vertical motion में? कुछ याद है? ax is how much? Horizontal acceleration in a projectile motion. मिल गया? लास्ट में हाँ एग्जांपल दिया, एरोप्लेन फुट पैकेट ड्रॉप किया तो जाएगा 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 कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी से, सो एक्सेलरेशन इज 0. बट ay में ओनली वन एक्सेलरेशन एक्टिंग इन द प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में -g. Okay, and here time t we have to find. Okay, so we have to eliminate time t, right? So we can use, and sx is nothing but x distance because we want to find x only. Now which equation of motion will apply to find s? S equal to
ut plus half.
at plus m square, half at square. So x direction, x direction, x direction. ax तो 0 है, ये 0 हो गया. And ux is nothing but u cos theta. X is equal to u cos theta into t, right? Okay. Now from this, what is time is equal to x by u cos theta, because we have to eliminate time and I want the relation between y and x में terms में चाहिए. Similarly y find करेंगे time t में s equal to ut plus half at square. So y direction, y direction, y direction. And time के जगह में I want to eliminate time, right? So t के जगह में I am substituting this one. So sy is y only. Y is equal to uy is how much? U sin theta into t is how much? X by u cos theta plus half into ay is minus g into t square. T square means x square by u square cos square theta, right? U cancel, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So y is equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. This is the equation of trajectory. ये rectify करने का y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta आपको आ जाने का.
Sir, one second, sir, don't move.
Now if you see carefully, y is proportional to x square. From this में what we got, y is proportional to x square. When this condition is satisfied, or x is proportional to y square, anything condition is satisfied, the trajectory is parabola. The trajectory is parabola. So this is parabolic path. Parabolic path. The equation of trajectory is parabola. So हमारा projectile motion में path is always parabola. In IP में they will ask these derivations. Last में 1 month में will by heart these all things. ये फॉर्मूला बैठ करो, I'll ask. Y equal to x tan theta minus half gx square by u square cos square theta.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yeah. Now बैठ करो फॉर्मूला, I'll ask.
Yes, sir.
Close your eyes, Mano. Tell me, what is the formula for maximum height?
U square sin square theta by 2g.
Okay, now tell me trajectory path.
Y is equals to x tan theta minus 1 by 2 gt square by
gt square,
cos square theta.
gx square,
Gx square.
half gx square by u square cos square theta. प्रणव हो गया? On the video, Pranav.
So sir, we are just eliminating time.
Eliminate time. Always, मतलब देखो final expression में there is no time. Only y in terms of x में रहेगा. Then only we can understand there is a trajectory equation. ये बहुत काम आएगा आपको solve मतलब equate करने टाइम में. Sometimes they'll give direct equation. So उसमें आप वो बोलेगा कि find करो angle find करो ऐसा बोलेगा. That time you have to use trajectory of equation only. Okay. वो questions करने समय समझ में आएगा आपको क्या है बोल के. Okay. Suppose they'll give this one, they'll give like this. The trajectory equation is y is equal to some x, some any constant, some k times of x minus some value y. So either comparison में what is tan theta? In the comparison में what is tan theta? Tell me. Suppose y छोड़ दो. What is comparison में? X के जगह में x is there. X का coefficient is what? K. Here x का coefficient is tan theta. So when you compare, what is tan theta is equal to k, theta equal to tan inverse k. ऐसे comparison आने पड़ेगा when the equation of trajectory is given to you. Okay. So formula again first. बोलो, Krishna. Y equal to?
So
Formula.
y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square u square cos theta.
X square half gx square by u square cos square theta. Okay. चलो एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे समझ में आएगा. Okay. इसका अदर फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रैजेक्टरी आल्सो लर्न करेंगे वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में. बट इधर तक लर्न करो. नेक्स्ट क्लास में अदर फॉर्म्स एंड उसका न्यूमेरिकल्स पूरा कहते हो. ऑब्लिक प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन डन. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ऑब्लिक प्रोजेक्टाइल आल्सो डन हो जाएगा एंड वी विल गो फॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन आल्सो. न्यू टाइप ऑफ प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन.